If your computer desktop is filled with random screenshots, downloaded files, and documents you can't easily find, you are not alone. Digital clutter has become one of the biggest productivity problems today. Many people spend valuable time searching for files instead of actually working. In this video, you'll learn how to organize your digital files using a simple system that improves productivity and reduces stress. Let's begin with an important mindset shift. File organization is not about perfection. It's about making files easy to find when you need them. Most digital clutter happens because people save files quickly without deciding where they belong. Downloads accumulate, screenshots remain unnamed, and duplicate documents appear everywhere. The first step is digital decluttering. Open your Downloads folder and review its contents. Delete files you no longer need, such as installers, duplicate images, or temporary documents. Move important files into appropriate folders instead of leaving everything in one place. Decluttering immediately creates clarity and frees storage space. Once clutter is reduced, the next step is creating a simple folder structure. Avoid creating too many folders. Instead, start with broad categories. For example, work, personal projects, media, finance, learning. These main folders act as your organizational foundation. Inside each category, create subfolders based on activities or projects. For instance, inside the work folder, you might have reports, meetings, clients, presentations. This structure helps you instantly know where files should go. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful organization techniques, file naming. Poor file names create confusion. Names like final, new, or document make searching difficult later. A better approach is using clear and consistent naming. Include useful information such as date, project name, and version number. For example, 2026, Marketing Report, Job V1. This naming style allows you to locate files quickly using search tools. Consistency matters more than complexity. Choose a naming rule and use it every time. Next, let's discuss your desktop. Your desktop should function as a workspace, not long-term storage. Keep only active files you are currently using. At the end of each day or week, move completed files into their proper folders. A clean desktop reduces visual distraction and improves concentration. Now let's organize cloud storage. Cloud services automatically sync files across devices, but without structure, they become messy, just like local storage. Use the same folder system on your laptop, desktop, and cloud drive. Consistency across devices saves time and prevents confusion. Automation can also help maintain organization. Many operating systems allow automatic actions, such as sorting screenshots into dedicated folders. Automation reduces manual work and keeps files organized without extra effort. Another important concept is version control. Instead of creating multiple copies with unclear names, use version numbers. For example, Proposal V1, Proposal V2, Proposal Final. This prevents accidental editing of outdated documents. Backups are equally important. Even well-organized files are useless if lost. Keep backups in at least 2 locations, such as cloud storage and an external drive. Automatic backup systems provide protection without requiring daily attention. Let's talk about maintenance. Digital organization is not a one-time task. Spend a few minutes each week reviewing new files. Delete unnecessary items and archive completed projects. Regular maintenance prevents clutter from returning. Organized files provide real productivity benefits. You spend less time searching, reduce frustration, and work more efficiently. Collaboration also improves because shared files are easier for others to understand. Now let's review common mistakes. Creating overly complex folder systems often leads to abandonment. Keep your system simple and practical. Another mistake is postponing organization. Saving files randomly with plans to organize later usually results in long-term clutter. Instead, organize files immediately when saving them. Small habits create lasting results. Here's a quick recap. To organize digital files effectively, start by decluttering. Create simple folder categories. Use consistent file names. Keep your desktop clean. Maintain the same structure across devices. back up important files, review files regularly. Digital organization may seem small, but it saves time every day. A clean digital workspace allows you to focus on meaningful work instead of searching for lost documents. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want better productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next How-To Tech Guide.